Good morning, ma'am. I am Raven Poldakis from BS Criminology-2. Today, I will explain the parts of the camera. First is a focusing ring. A ring on the camera lens that can be rotated to allow users to manually focus the camera. Lens hoods may also be used to protect the lens from the scratches and the elements without having to put on a lens cover. Filter thread. When referring to a lens specification, it should tell you the diameter of the filter thread, and then you can purchase your filters in the same diameter. Image stabilizer switch. Technologies that enable photographers to take pictures under lighting conditions that once upon a time would have been considered to high for capturing sharp still image. Camera focus mode is the main setting of either autofocus or manual focus. A ring on the lens of camera that can be rotated to allow users to manually focus the camera. The zoom position index are commonly used to focal length and help you to gauge your current angle of view. These are the name of the part of the camera. Thank you for watching.